Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. My name is Paulo and I'm here again for another unboxing video. I'm bringing today again this knife because this is the one that I have around now, and let's show you what I have inside. I have to say there are no fountain pens here, so maybe this may not be that interesting for everyone. But that's what we got. So this is a package that I received. I bought some stuff from Most Wanted Pens, which is a store in Germany, because I wanted a special pencil, and I got the pencil and I got some other stuff just to use up the shipping cost. So we have here one package, two packages, three packages. Let's take the box away and let's start with maybe one of the things that I bought just to complete the order, which is one of these sequence notebooks, which are very nice because they open wide and they are flexible. You have the information there. I really enjoy them. Maybe someday I should make a video about them. They are really nice, and they have this kind of a marker to mark the page that you want, and it has a magnet so you can put it in whichever page you want. So nice one, I would say. I like this kind of stuff, and it's always nice to have more notebooks. I have here the strange thing of the package, I would say, because of its shape, and here it is. It's really strange. Okay, it comes with this kind of ring if you want to put it on a ring, and it has this kind of protector. I want to slide it out. It's very strange, this writing object. And this is a pencil, and this is a pencil that was designed by Michael Goodberlet from the Kaweco, and it was also marketed with Kaweco brand, but this one is not branded. There are some that are branded, some other are unbranded. You have this hole there that will allow you to put this keychain ring. It's quite heavy, it's made of metal, and it is a 3.2 pencil, but it has kind of an egg shape, and it's really fun. I think I will enjoy using it. Actually, it's very short, so if you don't like short pencils, it will not be for you. I love pencils, so I bought it, but in a way I'm just trying it for the first time, this kind of shape, and it makes lots of sense to have something and hold it like this. It's very organic. I think this is very fun. I think I'll play with this a lot. I really think so. This is amazing. I just want to show you that this is a 3.2 LED, and okay, there were some marketed as Kaweco. This one is not marked as Kaweco, so I cannot say it is, but the Kaweco one is just the same. I'm not sure if it is still available on the website. If it is still available on the Most Wanted Pens website, I will put links down below. And I just want to show you some other for comparison. This is the Kaweco Lilliput, the Kaweco Lilliput collection. No, Kaweco collection Lilliput green. Let me take these. These are making some shadows over the desk, sorry. And you can see that it is also an aluminum. This is fountain pen. It has a very different tone than this one. This is a very lighter. This is much darker. And I think that's it. I just wanted to show you also another pencil that Kaweco had. This was a special edition for Spain. It's no longer available. I bought it. Actually, I bought two in a recent trip to Barcelona. And it was there in a store. It's not common at all. It's very rare, but they had it still new, and they had two. So I bought the two they had, and let me just zoom in just a little bit. And I bought the two because it's really nice. It is a Kaweco Sport. It's yellow. I love yellow, and one is for me, and the other one was a gift for a very dear friend that loves yellow also. So I thought she would love, and apparently she did. So I'm very happy for having this yellow pencil, which is also a 3.2 lead. But this is the sport shape. This is strange shape, let's call it that way. And finally, I want to show you the next packaging, which is a more formal thing. Black packaging. It has this tin with this black cover. Okay, the plastic is off. You have it here. Let's take this away. We open it, and here we have the logo and the instructions and so on. And here we have this pencil. This pencil is quite nice because it is a Kaweco. How is it called? SketchUp Classic, and this is the black and chrome. I really wanted to have this one. Okay, there you have it. This one has a number, not number. It has a 5.6. Let me take this out of the way. It has a number, it has a 5.6 lead, so much thicker than this one, almost twice. You can see the comparison. And I bought it because it would make sense to have a similar one to one of my favorite Kaweco Sport models. I don't know why I didn't buy the gold colored one, because I think they didn't have it in stock. But I don't love gold. I prefer with the chrome finishes, but I have one of my favorite Kaweco Sports ever is this one, the Kaweco Sport Lux. It's written there. Kaweco Sport Lux. I hope you can see that. Okay, now you can see pretty well. It is one of the most amazing Kaweco Sport pens because it has that. This is not a piston filler, it is a cartridge converter pen as usual, but this one has this ring there. It has a clip that is fixed with a ring, and then the pen is like this. It is made of resin. It has a weight back there. It is heavier than usual, so it's a very nice pen. It's kind of a art sport series but fancier. And this pen was released with the, let me bring it here. It was released with a ballpoint pen as a part of the collection, and also as a pencil. And I think this is a 0.9 pencil, but I'm not sure right now. I will have to check, or it is that odd a number that I don't remember, which is 1.18, I'm not sure. So it is a kind of a nice collection, and the gold one would fit here. So imagine this one has gold fitting, and this would fit very nicely, but it's not gold, it is this chrome finish, and I think it's really nice. Now maybe someday I'll need to get the gold version of it, because I just get obsessed over stuff and over sub collections on my pen collection. I just want to show you also some other Kaweco pencils I have, and they will not fit. I'll have to zoom out, and now you can see all the stuff that's here. So what other Kaweco pens? This one is not a Kaweco one, but it could be, so it's here. I have this one that I just showed, the yellow Kaweco Sport pencil 3.2. I also have here the Kaweco Special Red, which is very nice, but this one has a 0.5 lead. Very slim, very long. I have more Kaweco pens that are special, which is a short one, but I'm just showing you a little bit. This one is also available. This is the Kaweco SketchUp 5.6, and this is the Kaweco SketchUp Classic. This is the SketchUp only, the chrome version, and you can see that the SketchUp is the same size as a sport pencil. Let me zoom in a little bit again, because I can just a little bit. So it has the same kind of size. This one is really a full size, I would say, not as big as the special, but it's a full size pencil, and that's quite nice. Also, another difference is that in this one the lead advances by this kind of clicking, and on this one it is a clutch pencil, because you have this thing that will grab the lead and will let it come out as we want. This one comes in specific increments, let's say it that way. So it's fun to have those. And finally, I have one that was my first Kaweco thing ever, which is a Kaweco SketchUp, I think it's called Kaweco SketchUp Rubber Grip 5.6, which is the same kind of concept, but it is round instead of being faceted. If I'm not wrong, they made this pencil sometime later with a faceted version, which is more common to Kaweco more than this round, but it's really an early model from the current administration. I think it's still from the 1990s, and it has this rubber grip, kind of triangular. It's quite comfortable, and it has a highlighting LED in it, and it is a 5.6. So this is a non-fountain pen video, but I think there are people that will enjoy pencils also. I do. I enjoy almost all kinds of writing instruments. You even have here a ballpoint pen, and will not die because of looking at the ballpoint pen. And I'm really happy for having these, because I think this is really stylish. I think I will need to find the gold version to put next to these, but maybe this will be kind of a daily carry, because I really enjoy the feel, the being this resin. I think it looks amazing, and it was not that expensive. And this one is so fun. This is just fun. It has a very nice weight. It is really interesting. So this is my purchase from, not all these of course, just these and the notebook, my purchase from Most Wanted pens. I will leave links below for these pencils. For some there are no information, for some there are. I will leave those when some of the links may have some affiliate links for me, so I may have a percentage of the sale without any further increase in the price in your side, or I may not. It depends. Even if I don't have that kind of trade-off to my side, I always try to link pens to where you can find them, because I want to help you to find things, not only to get them where I can also have some profit from it. So this is all I have to show you today. Soon there will be another very interesting package that I will receive, also based on money that I got from the revenue of the channel, of those affiliate links, and I really think that I need to have some interesting stuff to show back in the channel and to keep this going. So this is all for today. This is enough. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, all that, and be back for the next video soon. So see you next time. Bye.